Okay, so the book is about rebuilding the ruins of your life. And so we're going to talk about fixing your foundation and learning what it means to live with Jesus as the foundation of everything. And we're going to talk about building the spiritual house that God has called you to build, so that when storms come, when winds blow, your house will stand. And that's developing real relationship with God and then being transformed by it. What I've just told you today is just giving you a nutshell of what we're going to talk about in this book and what I want to help you do.